To enable or disable answer automatically in Samsung Galaxy S10, open Settings. Swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. And then tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Accessibility. Tap Interaction and Dexterity. Tap Answering and Ending Calls. To enable, tap Answer automatically switch until green. To disable, tap until white. If you enable, answer incoming calls automatically after 2 seconds when a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. You can change a time 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or customize. For example, 9 seconds. If you select 5 seconds, answer incoming calls automatically after 5 seconds when a headset or Bluetooth device is connected. 10 seconds. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.